Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, April 18th, and this is my recap of the top 5 videos of today. And the pound US dollar came in number 2 today, so I'm going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top down analysis on the pound dollar, make sure you check out the video from this morning, linked at the end of this video over here. So the pound did eventually make a good push down today, right around the unemployment news. Now, the pound dollar does kind of look like it has like an ABC shape to it already, but because of the power of correlated pairs, especially analyzing the US dollar index, I can clearly see, even though it's not very clear on this, that this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, probably like a leading diagonal wave A or maybe even a wave 1. I think that we are currently in either a wave B or possibly a wave 2, which now I have my Fibonacci retracement on this 5 waves up. I'm looking at this wave down as it corrects into those 5 waves up, and I still think it's going to go up to at least a 38, maybe even the 50, or possibly, if it really is a wave 3, even further than that. I think it's an ABC of 4 on the daily time frame, so I am definitely going to be looking to see if it makes a sorting opportunity at one of these fib levels. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner, and don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to my daily live trading sessions and gives you access to my swing trade setups by signing up at my website fxpipcollector.com. Thank you and happy trading.